For over 145 years, the heart of my family's farmhouse has been the kitchen. It's where stories, food, and traditions have been passed down through generations. Join me as we create new memories, one dish at a time. Welcome to Adam's Farmhouse Kitchen. All right, everyone. Well, we're getting ready to make some homemade fresh whipped cream here at the farm. And whipped cream is so simple. Some folks, when they hear, oh, I have to make homemade whipped cream, they cringe, but I'm going to show you how easy it is. So we have our stand mixer here fitted with a stainless steel bowl, and you can use a hand mixer, and you can even do it by hand if you like. But today we're going to use this, so it's so much quicker and so simple. So what we're going to do, stand mixer fitted with a whisk, and I've already pre-measured out 1 quart of heavy whipping cream. Get a good quality heavy whipping cream. I put in about a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of my signature clear vanilla extract. So we're going to put it in the bowl, and we're going to make sure that we get it all out, because we don't want any of that sugar to be left in there, because that's what's going to make the whipped cream really nice and sweet. So we're scraping it out there really good. And sometimes you just have to mess with it a little bit until you get it out of there. So getting all of our pre-measured vanilla. Again, it's 1 quart of heavy whipping cream and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of clear vanilla extract. So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn our mixer on. We're going to put on our protective shield here so that we don't get whipped cream all over the kitchen. And so we're going to turn it on, and we're going to turn it on high. Now, one thing you have to make sure of when you're making whipped cream is that you don't overbeat it, because if you do, it will start to separate and turn into butter. And I'm going to show you when stiff peaks form just exactly when the right time is when it's finished. So I'm going to scrape the bowl down here real quick, and this whipped cream is just about ready. And then we'll get it in a bowl and put it directly into the refrigerator. All right, our whipped cream is all done now. So I'm going to take off this whisk attachment and the bowl. And you can see there, nice and thick, just what we want. Get rid of that. And then we're going to transfer this whipped cream into a bowl, and then we will put it in the refrigerator. And there's nothing better than fresh whipped cream. And you can see there just exactly how easy it was. And this is the real McCoy. So don't buy any more out of a can. You can go to the store and buy some whipping cream, heavy whipping cream, and make your own. So you can see there our beautiful whipped cream. Perfect.